Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fikri and today I'm going to discuss about articulatory phonetic and focusing about vowel sound or phonetic of spoken language. There are two types of vowel sound. They are monophthong and diphthong. Monophthong involve one vowel quality and diphthong involve two qualities. So, the three criteria that linguists use when describing vowel sound are height, vagueness, and roundedness. Height refers to how high or low the tongue in the mouth when producing the vowel. For example, consider the vowel sound E and A. You say both of these vowels in succession, you should feel your tongue going up and down as you say E, A, E, A, E, A. In terms of height, vowels are either considered high, mid, or low. E is an example of high vowel while A is an example of low vowel. Vagueness refers to how far front or back the tongue is when producing the vowel. As with the vowel height, this can be tricky as it takes some practice, but consider the vowels E and U. If you say this vowel in succession, you may notice that your tongue is moving forward and backward as you say E, U, E, U, E, U. In terms of vagueness, vowels are either considered front, central, or back. The third criteria that linguists use when describing vowel is roundedness. Roundedness means whether or not the lips are rounded when producing the vowel. For example, I, E, and U. U, as you can clearly see and feel, is a rounded vowel, whereas I not a rounded vowel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.